Hello ladies and gents. First and foremost, I apologize for the bird in the background that may be screaming, but I wanted to do this quick video in case somebody out there has a WILLYS edition. This is a 2020. I recently put on this Rugged Ridge HD full width bumper. Not affiliated with them in any way, but just wanted to do this to save you some headaches. So if you plan on keeping the stock LED fog lights, they will not fit, not even with the bracket that they bring, because the WILLYS for some reason brings these that have these weird brackets. For the bumper is exactly the same, but it has these different brackets that they mount up with 3 Torx screws. So I had to purchase these from a third party that are the standard LED fog lights that they come with the four mounts, and these will bolt right up. So I'm gonna bolt them on today, and there's my winch. I'm running a 9.5K winch, which works amazing. I have pulled people out already. And yeah, this is my build. Just wanted to do that quick video just so you guys are aware of this if you decide to get this particular bumper. Hope you all enjoyed. Have a great and keep jeeping on.